The blade fuses are clearly marked with amperage and color-coded for easy identification. Available in amperage ratings of 2A to 40A, rated at 32 volts. You could always find one that fits your auto. Includes both standard size mini size, perfect for car, RV, truck, motorcycle, boat. Zinc-plated terminals for corrosion resistance and enhanced conductivity. Comes with a fuse puller, makes replacing the fuse easier and quicker. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect to keep around for mechanics. I bought these to replace a blown fuse in my ATV's speaker system. I accidentally sprayed some water in one of the more sensitive parts, and when I tried to turn them on it blew the fuse. I waited a few days to dry up and replaced it with one from the pack, and it's still going strong. They're perfect to keep around for us at-home mechanics who run into problems every once in a while. A fuse is such a simple thing that can bind up the whole operation. Would recommend anyone with ATVs, UTVs, or bikes to keep one of these lying around.